At the 0.05 level of significance, is there enough evidence to support the claim that x and y are negatively associated? Use Spearman's rank correlation test. First, we need to sort the x values. So this will be 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 6. Then sort the y values: 1.9, 2.2, 2.8, 5.2, 5.7, and 5.8. Next, we have to find the rank of the x values, and because there's no ties in the first 4 positions, that's just going to be 1 through 4. But there is a tie in the 5th and 6th position, so we need to take the average, and those both have a rank of 5.5. Now we need to rank the y values, and because there's no ties, this is just 1 through 6. Now we need to reorganize the ranks to correspond with the original order of the x and y values. So 1 is the rank of 0, which is here. 2 is the rank of 2, which is here. 3 is the rank of 3, which is here. 4 is the rank of 5, which is here. And the 5.5s are the ranks of the 6s, which are here and here. Now we have to do the same thing for the y's. 1 is the rank of 1.9, which is here. 2 is the rank of 2.2, which is here. 3 is the rank of 2.8, which is here. 4 is the rank of 5.2, which is here. 5 is the rank of 5.7, which is here. And 6 is the rank of 5.8, which is here. So now that they are in the original order, we need to subtract the ranks. And we get 3.5, -5, -3, 4.5, -1, and 1. Finally, we square these, and we get 12.25, 25, 9, 20.25, 1, and 1. So the claim is that x and y are negatively associated, and that's the alternative hypothesis. So this is a left-tailed test. And the null hypothesis is that x and y are not associated. Alpha is 0.05. The sample size is 6. And for the critical value, let's look at the table. The critical value is negative 0.829. Next, we want to add up all of the squares of the differences, and we should get 68.5. Now for the test statistic, we need to use this formula, and it's going to be 1 minus 6 times 68.5 over 6 times 6 squared minus 1, which will be 1 minus 137 over 70. And rounded to 3 places, that is negative 0.957. So the test statistic is less than the critical value. So we reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.05 level of significance, there is enough evidence to support the claim that x and y are negatively associated.